said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go. Never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up.
Isn't that beautiful and peaceful? Look at that. The last time I was near a stream was at Pistol Raider, which was the start of my YouTube ventures. And to be fair, the last time I was anywhere near a stream, I fell in it. Well, I didn't fall in, I tripped in. There's a bit of a difference. So where am I today? We're at Cardingmill Valley today. We're going to do a bit of a photography explore for you guys. But I've actually got a mystery guest with me today. Say hello, whoever you are.
Much of a mystery. Hello, everybody.
So, as you can see, Brendan and I are going to try and go up Cardingmill Valley. So stay tuned, because you'll be in for a cracker. How gorgeous is the little reservoir here, a little bit of a lake where people most of the time do, I should imagine, wild swimming, but then again, it's actually not as deep as you'd think. So, I don't know, unless they stuck their foot in it, possibly. I don't know, maybe paddle, who knows. Scenery here. Luckily I got my camera with me, so I'm going to take some shots. I'm going to put them on Matti's Grand Tour on Instagram, so if you guys haven't followed me, I'll put a little thing below. Let's enjoy the beautiful tranquility. I mean, listen to that. This valley's beautiful, isn't it, mate? Honestly. And the breeze.
Yeah, it just feels like...
Yeah. found a mate, look. He's been waiting for me this entire time.
Can you speak sheep?
Bah!
I'll be a no then.
I'll be a no. That was a bad joke, wasn't it?
Lovely waterfall though.
Oh, it's beautiful. What a nice crescendo to have walk. You do realise, right, there's more to climb.
Yeah, I know you can.
Shall we risk it for a biscuit?
You want it?
Well, do you want to do it?
Oh no, I don't want it.
Yeah, knowing my luck, I'll walk all the way up there and my very fluffy friend there will drop kick me, you know, like
Probably,
like a bit of Randy Orton, you know, that sort of thing. But
The
yeah.
Shropshire I headline. Man gets kicked off cliff by sheep.
And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me on this vlog. Feel free to subscribe below and also like it if you enjoyed it. A big shout out to Brendan. Hopefully you can subscribe to his channel. And that's it. Thanks everybody. Peace.
Hey, camera Mark.
I've gone the wrong way. I've gone the wrong way. I've gone the wrong way. I keep on straight on. For anybody that wants to do any Arctic explores in the next 12 months, he's your man. Right. Dingleberry's next.
Yeah, I should have done that. Yeah.
It was just that easy. So, of course, I managed to get across that little bit, and my colleague is otherwise struggling, as you can see.
I am struggling, yes. That's the plan, okay?
Go on, Ranulph Fines.
Halfway.
Come on, Erwin.
That one. And the last one. There we go. Okay, we did it.
That was anticlimactic.